Hi everyone, picking up where we left off in our last lecture on TOEFL Speaking Task 3, today we'll focus on a slightly different scenario. Previously, we explored situations where the reading presented two concepts and the professor used two examples, one for each. Your job was then to match each example to the correct concept. Today, we'll shift gears and look at cases where the reading explains a single concept, and the professor uses their own personal anecdote as an illustration. This anecdotal format is actually quite common in Speaking Task 3. Now, these personal stories often unfold in several stages. Your key task here is to identify at which specific stage the explained concept actually comes into play. To help you grasp this, let's dive into a sample question together. This is the reading part. As we highlighted in the last lecture, identifying the three key ideas in the reading is crucial for success in TOEFL Task 3. So, let's dive in and unpack them. 1. Comfort zone. This refers to a situation or environment where people feel comfortable and familiar. It's where we feel safe and at ease, knowing what to expect. 2. Comfort zone bias. This describes our natural tendency to prefer staying within our comfort zone. We favor familiar situations over venturing into new, unfamiliar territory, even if it offers potential benefits. 3. Reasons for the bias. Two main factors contribute to this bias. First, we have a natural preference for what we already know and understand. It's simply easier to stick with what feels safe and predictable. Second, we often seek to avoid risks, and venturing outside our comfort zone can feel risky and potentially uncomfortable. By understanding these key ideas, you'll be better equipped to analyze the professor's example in the lecture. Now, let's listen to the lecture.
Okay, so this comes up a lot when people make career decisions. A friend of mine from college always wanted to be a film reviewer. He was a film major and he loved movies. Most of all, he loved to write about movies. So when he graduated, he looked for a job as a film reviewer for a newspaper because, as a film reviewer, he'd get to see films for free and would be paid to write about them. That's what he loved. But he couldn't find a job as a film reviewer. So he took a position as a news reporter instead for a newspaper, investigating stories, writing about events, what news reporters do. Now, at first, my friend wasn't sure he'd be any good at this. He'd never been a news reporter before. But eventually, he adjusted and gained confidence, and he got used to the job. And he realized he was actually a pretty good reporter. Anyway, here's the thing. After a few years, the film reviewer for the newspaper where he worked quit, and my friend was offered her job. This was his dream, right? His opportunity to be a film reviewer had finally come, and the new job would actually pay more, too. But did he take the job? Nope, he turned it down. He told me he'd gotten used to being a news reporter, and he just didn't want to try something else. It seemed like too big of a change since, there was a chance that the new job might not work out.
Using the example from the lecture, explain the comfort zone bias.
To answer the question completely and accurately, you need to identify three key points. 1. His friend's comfort zone. What specific situation or environment did the friend feel most comfortable and familiar with? 2. Demonstration of the comfort zone bias. At what point did the friend's actions or choices reflect a preference for staying in their comfort zone despite the potential benefits of venturing outside? 3. Reasons for the comfort zone bias. What specific factors contributed to the friend's decision not to take the film reviewer job? This is a sample response that answers all these three questions.
People naturally like to stick to familiar situations. In those familiar situations, that's called people's comfort zone, and the bias of wanting to stay in the comfort zone is called comfort zone bias. And the professor gives an example of a friend of his who showed comfort zone bias. The friend was a film major and wanted to work as a film reviewer, but couldn't find a job doing film review and ended up getting a position as a news reporter. Initially, he wasn't sure about his capabilities, but eventually became very good at it. Well, a few years later, there was a vacancy in the film reviewing position. He was offered a position to go become a film reviewer. However, his comfort zone had now become news reporting, and he actually turned down that film reviewing position because taking it would have forced him to move out of his comfort zone. So that's why that's an example of comfort zone bias.